Big congratulations to Moily, Silent Addy, Skillibeng, and Shenseea. Their track, Shake It to the Max remix, has debuted at number 91 on the Billboard Hot 100. This is Skillibeng and Moily's second appearance on the chart and Silent Addy and Shenseea's first ever entry. The Billboard Hot 100 ranks the top songs in the United States across all genres based on a combination of radio airplay, sales both digital and physical, streaming audio and video. A number one song on the Hot 100 is considered a major milestone in an artist's career and is often seen as the biggest achievement in the US music market. I believe this song has the potential to go number one on the chart, an artist being on the Billboard. Hot 100 brings several major benefits to an artist, both in terms of career advancement and industry recognition. Even landing at a lower position can introduce your music to new audiences. A Hot 100 appearance typically leads to more streams on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube, increased digital and physical sales of the song and related content, more user-generated content like Tik Tok videos using the track. It also boosts an artist's resume. Charting on the Hot 100 is a respected milestone that can lead to better record deals, higher booking fees for shows and tours, increased radio play and playlist placements. Hot 100 success can open doors globally, attracting attention from international markets, leading to overseas tours, high-profile collaborations, and licensing deals. The song has been trending on social media for months, and for the past 2 weeks, it's been the most Shazam track on Shazam's Global 200 chart. The momentum has been building, and this Billboard debut just confirms that dancehall can still be successful in the US market. Beyond the Hot 100, the remix has achieved notable success on other charts. It reached number one on the US Billboard Afrobeat Songs chart and topped the World Digital Song Sales charts. The song also secured positions on international charts, including number 46 on the Canadian Hot 100 and number 39 in New Zealand. Released on February 21st, 2025, the remix blends Afrobeats and dancehall, showcasing a cross-cultural collaboration that resonates with diverse audiences. Shake It to the Max exemplifies the power of cross-genre collaboration and the influence of social media in propelling music to global recognition. The combined efforts of Moily, Skillibeng, Shenseea, and Silent Addy have not only created a hit song, but also bridged cultural gaps, bringing Afrobeats and dancehall to a broader audience.